Hi guys, Crystal here. I am doing a video today of an unboxing of my new planner. I'm so excited. These are my favorite planners. It's called the Happy Planner, and every year I get a new one, and I'm so excited for my new one that has come in today. It literally just showed up off the FedEx truck. So, fresh out of the box. I'm so excited. These planners are my favorite. You can get them at Target or Michael's. I actually ordered this one straight off the Happy Planner website because I'm particular about my agenda. I mean, who isn't? You use it for a whole year, and I don't know about you guys, but I am obsessed with being organized. And I'm also old school in the sense that I like to write things down. Hi, Shady. My dog is here. So anyways, love using planners, and getting a new one is like the most exciting thing. I was also the kid that looked forward to picking out my school supplies every year. So if you're that kid, you probably feel the same about getting something new. So I picked this one out because I actually don't like the teacher planners. I'm just, like I said, I'm particular, and the teacher ones have it set up by subject. And I like just having a horizontal regular agenda. So normally the Michaels and Target will carry the horizontal ones, but for some reason, at least right now, I have not found the horizontal ones at those stores. So I had to go online because I was worried for a second that maybe they just discontinued making these, which was going to be the end of the world because I was going to have to find a new one. But here it is. So excited. Ironically, this one the design is called like Crystal, which is just funny because that's my name. Okay, let me peel the cover thing off. This is so cute. There's like a sticky part on here. I did, however, and I'll show you in a minute, buy some of the sticker packs from Michael's. Okay, so here it is, and it's really cute. I don't know if you can tell, but it says Born to Shine at the bottom, so that's super cute. It's like this purpley pinky color with like glitter in it. So these come in 3 sizes. This is actually the middle size. There is a larger one, and then there's a smaller one. And I've actually, in the last 4 or 5 years, tried out all of the sizes. And what I found is I just really like this middle size. The big one is just too big, and the small one's too small. So it's kind of like a Goldilocks situation here. So let me show you the branding of the Happy Planner. So if you're looking for it, online, here's the what it looks like. So as I'm opening, here's like the welcome page. There's a thing that you place to hold pages. Take that off. I don't need this. Okay, so exciting. It's really pretty on the inside. Ouch. Let's see. So then when I go to the months, each month has like a little design, and then you have the next page, which is like the whole calendar for that month. And then it just goes into the horizontal build from there. So this is what the horizontal looks like, and this is just my preferred style. Everyone has their own, and there's the vertical style too, which is classic, but this is my favorite. So the cool thing about each month is, like I said, they have their different designs, and then they have just kind of like this starter page for notes or whatever, if you wanted to put your goals for the month or whatever, birthdays to remember. Yeah. So let's see. We have September. It's like you can see the whole crystal theme happening here. which I'm not like into crystals or anything, but there actually just weren't that many designs for the horizontal this season. But I thought it was really pretty, so why not? And then I really like just like their inspirational quotes and things. So it's really fun. And what's nice is you can buy all sorts of inserts. So the binding is like rings, and it has its own like special, you can even buy like a hole punch for this, and they keep them the same year to year. And then you can buy like bookmarks, which I have some that I'll insert from my old agenda. I'm just going to reuse the ones I had from this past year. You can add like pages, like notes pages in, like you can insert all sorts of stuff. They even have like pencil pouches and things like that. So it's super fun, super cute. They always just have like their last page is just a notes page. So that's really fun. But like I said, if you're trying to use this as a notebook too, you might want to, buy more of a notes page. The other thing about this calendar is it is an 18-month calendar. And it starts with like school time. So it starts with July, and then it goes through the rest of 2020 into 2021 through, let's see, so it goes all the way to December of 2021. So that's really awesome. Okay, so that's that. Yay, so exciting. I can't wait to start putting my stickers in it. That's my favorite part. So speaking of the stickers, I bought 2 sets. I bought this set, and usually I'll get like, they have a teacher one, which I do really like because it has teacher specific things in it. But I kind of browsed through this one in the store because you can just like open it up and look. And I felt like it had what I needed. So let's see. So it starts by having like some really cute, like there's a sloth over here, so cute. Different quotes and just fun things to decorate. It's so fun. You just get to decorate your pages and make them just so bright. So then here you can see they have like summer break, winter break. So those are things I can obviously use. Spring break, fall break, some different treat yourself dinner plans, taco night. So those are fun. They do have like this school themed sticker page on here. So I love this. Love, love, love. So cute. Oh my God, more sloths. Like, I love these big quotes and just like inspirational things. So fun to just dress up your agenda. I like these. They're like these long places where you can write. Those are always fun to add in. They have like little to-do. Then they do have like a section of letters in here. So it's so fun. All right, let's see what else we have. Okay, so this is cool. It has like just subjects. You can see science, math, homeroom. So that's cool. That might be better for like, and here's it in gold. That might be better for student. I don't know. Oh yes, this is what I love. Okay, so it has all the calendar holidays. Oh, even Pi Day. How fun. So yeah, that's really cute. Oh, I love these. This is like assignment, project, homework. So like I said, it might be better for a student, but teachers can use these too. So fun. Test, quiz. Oh yeah, these are so fun. So fun. All right. Oh, I like these. I'll show you here. Oh, this is cute. It's like these little noted places where you can write. And then I like these little today with bullet points that you can just add on a calendar day, and fun area to write. Love that. Okay. So yeah, that's the gist of that. And then I've never seen these little ones before, but I was like, let me try it out. And I couldn't take a peek. It wouldn't like let me open it too far up, but I'm excited to see. I think this is just more of like single stickers where they have like a section for you to write. Yeah, because I really enjoyed that. Oh, this is fun. Oh, and this specific pad here, I think it's for teaching. It doesn't specifically say that. Let me show you. Oh, geez. The exact one, because they have a bunch of these. And again, this one is called the Be Yourself that I picked out. So it says teaching is the profession that creates all others. So that's cute. I don't know if you can see that. What we learn becomes a part of who we are. So yeah, it's all like teacher themed. There we go. So fun. Teachers encourage minds to think, hands to create, and hearts to love. Oh yeah, this is so cute. I'm glad I picked this up to have just like additional teacher little notes and things. So I can't wait to get started putting my agenda together. Maybe I'll show you a little clip of what that looks like after I put some of my stickers in. All right, bye. Okay, I'm back. So I took some time to put some stickers in. Let me show you a couple pages here. This, I put this cute hello. This one, I got like a quote up here. So I tried to dress up different parts of my agenda. Got a quote on this side and this side. Let's see, what else do we have? Here's some fun pages. Okay, so kind of did something fun here with one of those longer stickers. Maybe I put like a longer note there. Some of these pages are just kind of bland. They're just black and white. So I kind of tried to dress them up a little bit. I added some of that greenery to this one just to make them, you know, more fun to look at as you go through. You know, just kind of little things here and there on some of the days. I will say this, I was disappointed, and I realized about halfway through that the big pack of stickers that I bought didn't have anything that said like birthdays, and I really like to have like a birthday sticker and put all my birthdays on of all my family members. So I'm kind of thinking I'm going to go buy another pack. And I was kind of wanting a little bit more from some of the sticker packs, some more like cutesy holiday stuff. There really was just one page that mentioned all the holidays, but I think I want like, I don't know, like Christmassy themed things. So I think I'm going to go try to find a sticker pack that has a bit more of that. But besides that, I'm really happy. Yay, so exciting. So I really recommend the Happy Planner. I will put a link at the bottom of this video to this exact planner, but feel free to, you know, look around the website at some of the sticker packs and things, and I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. See ya.